Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we find ourselves in Puerto Rico in Gran Canaria. Another little short vlog for you guys from our holiday. We're going to take a glass bottom boat to the town of Mogan. So we'll take you along for the journey if you'd like to come.
Let's go.
We're having a really nice time in Gran Canaria. This is our first ice cream of the holiday. We're just waiting, there you go. We're just waiting until about 12 before we can get on the glass bottom ferry. Ant's gone for a Magnum and I've gone for a Cornetto. I think you're really going to enjoy this trip, guys. It's a beautiful scenic boat trip to Mogan, and Mogan itself is very pretty, lots of beautiful bougainvillea arches and things like that, so I think you're going to really like this. This is in the glass bottom boat. It's a very nice blue light from the sea. Ant says he's already seen some fish. Let's have a look. I don't know if you can see them sparkling out there. Hopefully we'll see a bit more out at sea. It's quite a big glass bottom ferry, but there's actually nobody else sitting down here. I think everybody else has gone up on the sun deck. But we're going to try and make the most of the views of the coast and of the glass-bottomed boat. Well, this is a really pretty little port. Some lovely boats in the harbour here. And that was a really interesting trip across in the glass bottom ferry, which we hope you enjoyed seeing. This is very different to Melanera. It almost has a slightly tropical feel about it. Lots of very nice little restaurants overlooking the harbour. I think we're going to be spoilt for choice for lunch. But we've seen a few videos of this place, and I actually instantly recognised the archway there. Got the usual little tourist traps with hats and bags and bits and pieces. It's very quaint. All the streets run off from this main harbour area. We found this really nice little cafe right by the marina. Thought it was time for a bite to eat. Look at the view. So I've gone for the mixed bruschetta and Ant's gone for a tuna sandwich. And of course we've had a few chips because we are very British. Well, that was a really delicious lunch, wasn't it?
It was very nice and very reasonable.
It was very reasonable. It's probably the least expensive lunch we've had, and the tastiest so far. So we are really enjoying this place. And I was just saying, it's known as
The Little Venice.
Little Venice. It is quite Italian, but we're going to march a little further on. So if you want to see a bit more, stay with us. that side of the marina are the prettiest little houses. I'm just trying to imagine living in one of those and waking up in the morning and looking out across this. It's absolutely beautiful. You can actually see why they call it Little Venice. We've got a canal here just running between these houses. Look at this beautiful hedge. I'm pretty sure they are hibiscus. Well, Mogan is without a doubt one of the prettiest places we've ever been to. It's actually blown us away. Ant had seen it on a vlog that we watched called the Sirour Adventures. It's a couple that travel around Europe in a motorhome, and well, they travel around the UK as well, and we are big fans of their channel, so a big thank you to them for highlighting this place. We have really enjoyed our trip out to Mogan, and we hope
It's a beautiful place.
absolutely beautiful, is it, Ant? And Ant's found this place, as I said before, and he's struck gold with it. So we hope you enjoyed looking around with us, guys. If you did,
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, comment, and ring the bell.
we hope the video finds you well, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.